Hello, this video is going to talk about how to use geranium oil. Geranium oil is an ancient oil and there's so many great uses for it. Welcome to the Essential How-To channel, where we love to amplify your sense of feeling good in your home, your health, and your attitude. For this video, I've invited my friend Emily to help describe all the great uses for geranium oil. This video will show you 4 ways to use geranium oil, plus a bonus at the end. Everything we talk about we'll have linked to below in the description, and while you're down there, hit the subscribe button as well. Okay, let's get started talking about geranium. Hi, so we have 4 great ways to use geranium oil. So I'm going to pull in my very good friend Emily, and we're going to get started. Are you ready, Em?
Hi, I'm ready.
We love to use geranium, this gentle, pure oil. We love to use it for moisturizing. So you can add a couple drops to your face moisturizer and apply it as you would whatever your routine is, right? And another great place to do it is if you're in the shower, you add some to your conditioner and put it into your hair. One of the ways I keep curly is I make sure I keep conditioner in my hair after I get out of the shower. And so I put the geranium oil in there, and that helps it not only be moisturized, but also helps it smell good.
Oh yeah, I should be adding some to my little pomade.
Yep, and we can make a link actually to all those different moisturizers, conditioners, beach hair spray. We'll put a link to that below too. So we just talked about your hair health, your face health. Now we're going to home. The geranium has fabulous compounds in it to repel bugs. So then, of course, when we use it, we can use it to repel bugs too in our home. So you can put a couple of drops on a cotton ball, and that will help repel the bugs. Okay, so we gave you one for your health, 2 for your home, 3 also for your home, right?
Yeah, another great way to use geranium is to make a linen spray or room spray out of it. You can combine the geranium with something else that you really love, like a citrus, maybe a tangerine. You might even blend it with some other oil that you might like, but even just alone, it does the job of kind of refreshing linens. It's great to spray it onto your pillows before bed at night, or just as a general air freshener. So that's a really easy and useful way to access our geranium oil. How do we engage with geranium for our attitude, for our emotional well-being? When we work with geranium, we really work very closely with the heart, with our inner child, and with our loving connections. So when we work with geranium, we can put it right on top of the heart. We can add a little carrier oil and invite that aroma to access our own inner child. And with that, we have the potential of being present with whatever emotions our inner child needs to be validated around or to have some closure with.
So much we can do with geranium. So imagine it all comes together too. So while you're in the shower using that, you're breathing it in, and it's centering you and grounding you and reminding you of all the beautiful, wonderful possibilities that you are.
Exactly. So if you ever feel like you need to just get in touch with the heart space, geranium is your oil.
And now the bonus. We prefer to use the doTERRA oils, but we encourage you to use any oils that work for you. Even if you don't use doTERRA oils, there still is a lot of information on their website about how to use the oils. I'm going to make sure that this is in the description, and you can look at all these different ways to use geranium. Some of the things that we spoke about, including extra information that'll be a bonus for you about massage, and a little bit more information about using geranium oil for your hair and the appearance of your skin, like we talked about. So we really hope that you can dig into that information and enjoy it and use it, because we just know that when you use oils in an intentional way is going to make a difference for how you feel about your home, your health, and your attitude. So thank you for coming along on this conversation, Emily. I always enjoy having you. help to talk about these oils.
Thanks for having me here.